Do you want to turn any text into a video? What if I told you that you can turn your texts, your website's URL, your PowerPoint presentation, and even your blog posts into captivating videos? Let me introduce you to Pictory AI, an AI video generator and AI video editor that can do all of that for you. With Pictory AI, you can also record yourself and edit the video. The amazing thing is that you can do all of these in one place, and you can start for free.
Creating professional quality videos can be time-consuming, costs thousands of dollars, and often requires expensive equipment and advanced skills. Not anymore. Welcome to Pictory, the AI-powered platform that turns anyone into a professional video creator. With one click, transform ideas or existing content into powerful and engaging videos, using AI-powered workflows like text to video, URL to video, and even PowerPoint to video. Paste in your script, a web address, or upload your own files, and Pictory's AI will automatically generate a video for you, complete with royalty-free studio-grade clips selected from our visual library of over 12 million assets. Boost your video's impact with hyper-realistic AI voiceovers, captions, and background music, and make it your own by adding your brand's colors, fonts, and logo for a beautifully consistent look and feel. Create a team workspace where you can share assets and collaborate effectively with colleagues and clients. Video creation has never been easier. Just bring your ideas. Pictory brings them to life.
So welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, where I bring you all the latest AI and online tools that creators like you are using to streamline their daily workflow. In case you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more content. Let's dive into the tutorial. To get started for free with Pictory is super simple. Just follow the link in the description of this video, and it will bring you to Pictory's website. Click on Get Started Now, and sign up with your email. Here's your dashboard where all the creations happen. Go ahead and start bringing your ideas to life. Remember that I mentioned some of the features that you can use in making your videos in Pictory earlier. Now let's go over them one after the other. The first one is Text to Video, which allows you to generate professional quality videos from your text with realistic 11 Labs AI voices. Next, we have the URL to video feature. With this feature, you can effortlessly generate videos from any URL, whether it's your homepage, product page, or blog post. With Pictory, you can transform long videos into engaging branded clips. Pictory automatically extracts and generates highlights from your Zoom, Teams, webinar, and podcast recordings, and convert them into short branded video snippets, ideal for posting on social media. Why don't you convert your PowerPoint presentations into professional videos using fast AI video generation? Simply upload, summarize, and customize your video instantly. Pictory has the right plan for every creator. The starter plan is just $19 a month with 200 video minutes and basic AI tools. Step up to professional at $29 for advanced AI, Getty images, and 600 minutes. For teams, $99 a month gives you 1,800 minutes, 10 brand kits, and collaboration tools. And for big companies, the enterprise plan offers custom solutions. Start creating smarter with Pictory today. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to support my channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. If you have any AI tool you would want me to make a video about, just let me know in the comment section. Also, I have a link in the description of this video, where you can get all the AI and online tools I have been discussing on this channel. Kindly check it out and start creating like the other creators who are using them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.